Greetings and welcome to our channel again. Today, we're giving you a close-up look at the highly awaited 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, which represents the future of luxury travel. Imagine living in an unrestricted environment where freedom and elegance coexist everywhere. Despite Mercedes-Benz not producing RVs directly, top bodybuilders were able to produce this masterpiece using the dependable 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter as a framework. It is anticipated that a variety of potent 2.0-liter four-cylinder diesel engines, OM654, with 170 to 211 PS of torque and a smooth 9G tronic automatic gearbox would be offered. The 2026 Sprinter's exterior has a more contemporary design twist while maintaining its powerful and practical proportions. A stylish, adventure-ready appearance is produced by the Mercedes-Benz grille, sleek LED lighting, and sharp lines. This RV will draw attention wherever it travels because to its stylish wheels and high-end paint choices. As soon as you enter, the dashboard has been overhauled to be more stylish and user-friendly. The focal point is a big, integrated dual display that houses the most recent MBUX infotainment system and an entirely digital instrument cluster. The Hey Mercedes voice control allows you to handle a number of features without taking your eyes off the road. With soft-touch materials, striking metal or wood accents, and changeable ambient lighting, the interior environment is opulent and modern, offering a driving experience comparable to that of a Mercedes-Benz premium car. The living area is a luxurious and cozy haven. With a unique slide-out function, its roomy design optimizes living space when parked. The most comfortable sofas and chairs are those with electrical, heating, and massage adjustments, as well as upholstery made of high-end leather or luxurious textiles. The ideal area for working or eating is created by a dining table that is simple to fold up or expand. You will always have the greatest view thanks to the large panoramic windows, and an integrated entertainment system that includes a surround sound system and a widescreen smart TV will enrich every free moment. A tranquil and opulent haven awaits you as soon as you enter the bedroom. Select a king-size or queen-size bed with the best orthopedic mattress available to guarantee a good night's sleep. All of your personal items are kept organized in a roomy built-in closet with extra storage drawers and inside lighting. Blackout curtains and soft ambient lighting offer total privacy while establishing a cozy bedroom ambience befitting a five-star hotel. This RV's bathroom is a comfortable place to unwind in addition to being useful. It has a porcelain toilet, a large walk-in shower with strong water pressure, and a sophisticated sink with a high-end faucet. A touch of elegance is added by countertops composed of high-end materials like marble or quartz. Comfort and practicality are offered with an LED-lit mirror and effective ventilation. Designed for the adventurous home cook, the kitchen is the focal point of this RV. It comes with a full-size refrigerator, freezer, microwave, convection oven, induction cooktop, and even a small dishwasher, among other high-end stainless steel equipment. Plenty kitchen prep room is provided by natural stone or premium composite worktops, and well-planned storage cabinets keep everything, including supplies and utensils, organized.